PTE Academic Speaking Tips by Learn English. Tip number 1. The first two question types, read aloud and repeat sentences, carry more than half of the speaking scores, so don't take them lightly. And you can practice these question types from our channel as we have uploaded videos on these questions. Tip number 2. Answer short questions have so less weightage that answering one or two of them wrong has negligible impact on speaking scores. But answer as many of them as possible because it may impact your listening score too. Tip number 3. Be careful to start speaking immediately when the recording status appears on the screen, because if you don't start speaking within 3 seconds, the recorder will close and will show recording complete status without recording your answer. So you have to be very quick in answering the questions. Next is tip number 4. In describe image, make sure to use comparisons such as the highest, the lowest, increase, decrease, stability, fluctuations, more, less, etc. to score better at content. Tip number 5. In PTE Speaking, fluency and pronunciation carry more marks than content. But if content's score is 0, the credit for these two is also 0. So make sure to stay on topic as far as possible. Tip number 6. In fast retail lecture, focus on and note down the points you understand and don't worry about the details you don't get, as it is a tough task, so presenting the little content you collected as logical sentences in your answer can get you a high score if you just keep care of your fluency and pronunciation. Thank you. Hope the video will help you to improve your PTE speaking module. For more such tips, stay tuned to our channel and like, share, subscribe it.